pretty much tested quite a few antenna this morning, including these Aomway little clover leaves and the DYS clover leaf. Fox here is a little bit better, but very marginal. I'm flying towards those trees and there's two big groups of them. I wanted to actually try out the Crosshair Extreme by I'd Crazy, but I've got a wrong attachment for my goggles, so I can't test that today. Still learning how to do maneuvers. Yeah, we'll just take it up. I'm just on the edge of a beach here in an area I'm allowed to fly in. It's quite nice out there. You'll see the ocean through the trees. Yeah, anyway, just hope you enjoy the flight. I think this is the part where you hope you don't lose. I think this is the part where you don't. Beeper working? Yep. This is the part where I hope I don't lose a $350 camera because I crash my drone or it falls off. So let's go. Last battery. go. You can see how average I am. My camera was actually giving a whiteout. It's for some reason. It's nothing to do with the VTX, I don't think. I think it's just video transmitter. I think it's the camera itself. It might be a loose wire, but yeah, I got scared a couple of times there. Yeah, I'm still not really comfortable doing split S's, but hey, just enjoyable being out flying, and beautiful breeze here, and the ocean's just, ocean breeze is just, yeah, it's pretty special. So I'm glad I could come out today and just yeah, really just fly about in this location. Check out this, I think, is it granite? Look at it, it's like, is that igneous rock? I forget the name of it, but it's just forced together with you know, pressure and heat, I guess. It's probably a big block of gold inside this, in the Darwin Harbour. It's part of the entry. Originally there was a submarine net, longest in the world, went right across here to the other side. There's only remnants of it now left. They're great big buoys, and it would just go right across. That's it. Alright guys, signing off. Enjoyed flying, and yeah, I think once you get your VTX setup worked out, and how far you can go and how high you can go, and you just feel like you have your, what's the word, your range fence kind of sorted out, and after that you can start feeling more comfortable to maneuver and do tricks, I guess, because yeah, the last thing you want is to lose your drone. But I've discovered today that yeah, two really quite thick bushes that you saw, patches of bush you saw, actually there's rocks in there too, I can see now. Behind those two I just lose video signal with every antenna I've got. Yeah, you just, and the dipole's actually no worse than the mushroom, I didn't find. It's strange, but there you go. So hopefully I'll get the IB Crazy antenna hooked up at some point in the future, and we'll just see if we can go behind those trees down there. So the Crosshair Extreme is supposedly supposed to be able to penetrate through trees, and something fell off. It's just a little washer. Yeah, so we'll test it out, and I've just got to wait for the adapters to come, and I'll lose maybe a little bit of signal with the adapter, but man, grass hanging off my face. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye for now.